This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete drafts on your Gmail. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Draft are a helpful email feature that automatically save emails you're writing. But what if you no longer need all the draft and you want to delete, you want to remove it from your email? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Gmail. Now you can just tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. And you can scroll down and you'll find there is an option drafts. You can just tap on that. So here's all your draft on your Gmail. If you want to remove it, you want to delete it, you can just tap on hold on the draft that you want to delete. Or maybe you want to delete all the draft on your email, you can just tap on select all in here. Now you can tap on the top of your screen. There is like a trash icon on there. You can just tap on that. Discard drafts from these 5 conversations. You can just tap on OK. So now you no longer have drafts on your Gmail. It's so simple, right? So that is how to delete draft from your Gmail. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!